It is also important that we know how to explain ourselves during difficult times. Watch this video to be informed. Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you're new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In this video, we will look into a conversation about reporting a robbery. This is a difficult situation to be in, but very important to know how to express yourself if you're living in Japan. Let's begin. それでは始めましょう。Around the neighborhood, you could see a police box, which is koban in Japanese, or a police station, which is 警察署. You could always go there to report an incident or ask for help. Just like the previous episodes, there will be two characters, Mark, the foreigner, and Mr. Kimura, the Japanese police officer. We will listen to their conversation and I will explain to you what they mean later. Also, please pay attention to the intonation and pronunciation.
すいません。昨日の夜、泥棒に入られて現金を盗まれました。どうすればいいですか？
お名前と住所を教えてください。
マークです。住所はウェストホーム102です。
では、少々お待ちください。これからあなたの家に向かいましょう。Let's take a look at the conversation per line. Mark said, すみません。昨日の夜、泥棒に入られて現金を盗まれました。どうすればいいですか？ This means, excuse me, someone broke into my house last night and stole some money. What should I do? Let's practice. すみません。昨日の夜、泥棒に入られて現金を盗まれました。どうすればいいですか？ And what did the police officer say? お名前と住所を教えてください。This means, could you tell me your name and address, please? Let's practice. お名前と住所を教えてください。And what did Mark answer? マークです。住所はウエストホーム102です。This means, my name is Mark and my address is West Home 102. Then what did the police officer say? では、少々お待ちください。これからあなたの家に向かいましょう。This means, just wait a moment. I will go with you to your house. Let's practice. では、少々お待ちください。これからあなたの家に向かいましょう。I know that it is a very unfortunate situation to be in. However, it is also important to know what to do and say just in case. Let's review by listening to the conversation one more time.
すいません。昨日の夜、泥棒に入られて現金を盗まれました。どうすればいいですか？
お名前と住所を教えてください。
マークです。住所はウェストホーム102です。
では、少々お待ちください。これからあなたの家に向かいましょう。I hope you have learned something new today and don't hesitate to watch this video again to practice with us. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. And also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new list video. Because in this channel, Your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね。